Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you how to use one of Notion's handiest features, toggles, and how to combine them with the table of contents block to create clean, organized pages. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to tuck away even your longest table of contents, making your Notion workspace much more readable and professional. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by a chaotic or cluttered Notion page, this is going to help you tidy things up and get more control. Let's jump right in. Imagine you have a sample table of contents sitting at the top of your Notion page. This is really useful for navigating bigger documents, but sometimes it can look a bit overwhelming, especially if you have a lot of sections. What we're going to do is nest your table of contents inside a toggle, so you can expand it only when you need it, just like opening a drawer to grab what you need and closing it to keep your desk neat. First, move your cursor to where you want the toggle to go. Type toggle, and you should see Notion suggest toggle list as an option. Go ahead and click it. This adds a new toggle block right on your page. Now, you'll want to get the table of contents into this toggle. And here's a little tip. You can simply click and drag your existing table of contents block right into the toggle area. If you've never dragged a block in Notion before, don't worry. It's as easy as grabbing the 6 dots next to the block and dropping it inside. Take your time with this. Sometimes getting the exact drop spot takes a few tries. Once it's inside, you'll want to give your toggle a clear name. Click where it says toggle and rename it something informative like table of contents. This way, anyone looking at your page will immediately know what's tucked away inside that toggle. Think of it as labeling a file folder. Clear labels help you and anyone you share with find information faster. Now, let's say you want to add a brand new table of contents somewhere else in your Notion page. To do this, head to the spot where you want the table of contents to appear and type table of contents. Notion will insert a block that automatically generates links to all the headers on your page. If you've ever used sticky notes to organize parts of a textbook, this is like a digital version that updates as your content grows. Super handy. For smoother navigation and organization, it's a great idea to also add headers throughout your page first. So type header wherever you need to break up sections. These headers not only make your page visually easier to scan, but also ensure that the table of contents will capture every section. If you don't see anything pop up in your table of contents, try adding or reformatting some headers. This feature specifically looks for header blocks. Once you've set up your headers using header, your table of contents will automatically update. You don't have to refresh or rebuild it each time. Notion handles it for you in real time. So if you add a new section later, it'll show up instantly in your table of contents. Pretty smart, right? And there you go. You've now learned how to make your Notion workspace organized by using toggles and the table of contents block together. It's a small change with a big impact on both the look and usability of your notes or documents. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like to let me know. Drop a comment with any Notion questions you have or ideas for what you'd like to learn next. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow Notion tutorials. See you in the next one.